Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the daily and monthly budget tracker in Google Sheets. This tracker contains a total of 15 tabs. The first tab is the Instructions tab. Here, you'll find the user guide and important information about the tracker. You can hide this sheet later by right-clicking the tab and selecting Hide Sheet, or move it to the end of the spreadsheet. Before we discuss the Dashboard and Accounts tabs, let's first take a look at the monthly tabs. At the top, you'll see the name of the month along with several summary sections. The first section is Budget. This is the only section at the top that you can edit, so always enter your estimated budget for the month here. The other sections are fully automated. The percent used section shows the percentage of your budget that has been used. Spent shows the total amount spent based on the transactions recorded below. Remaining shows the amount left from your budget after expenses. Daily average shows your average daily spending, and savings and investments shows the total amount recorded under that category. These sections update automatically and should not be edited. Now, let's move to the table below, which is the transaction log. This is where you'll enter your date, amount, category, subcategory, payment method, and notes. Let's try adding some data. For the date, let's enter January 1st. For the amount, let's enter $100. For the category, simply choose one of the available options. The same goes for the subcategory. Please note that the category and subcategory drop-down options are not editable. Do not modify these sections, as doing so may affect the tracker's formulas and automation. Among the available categories, you'll also find savings and investments, which you can use to track money set aside for savings or investments. For the payment method section, you can customize the available options by adding your accounts in the Accounts tab. Let me show you how. Let's head over to the Accounts tab. In the upper right section, you'll find the payment method area. Here, you can add up to 6 accounts that you regularly use for payments. Simply enter the account name and account type for each account. Once you've added your accounts, go back to any monthly tab, and you'll see them available in the payment method dropdown. For the Notes column, you can enter any important details related to a transaction. Now let's go back to the top section. As you add transactions, you'll see the summary sections update automatically, including your total spent, remaining budget, daily average, and savings and investments. In the top right section, you can search by subcategory if you'd like to view the total amount spent for a specific subcategory, such as electricity or groceries. Below is a chart that shows your spending over time based on your daily spending for the month. You'll also find another chart that shows where your money is going by category, along with the percentage spent in each category. Below the chart, you'll see your top 10 highest spending categories, followed by your top 20 highest spending subcategories. These sections make it easy to identify where most of your money is being spent. The same setup applies to all of the monthly tabs. Now, let's take a closer look at the Accounts tab. In this tab, you only need to edit the white cells. These include the month dropdown, the payment method section, and the beginning balance fields for each month. At the top, select the month you want to view. Once a month is selected, you'll see the total deductions from all your accounts recorded for that month. In this section, you'll also see how much has been deducted from each account. These figures are running totals and are not limited to a specific month. Below, you'll find tables for each month. To track your account balances accurately, enter the beginning balance for each account at the start of the month. As transactions are recorded, the tracker will automatically calculate the remaining balance for each account. Make sure these amounts are accurate to get real-time results. At the end of the month, you can compare them with your actual account balances to make sure everything matches. You can use those remaining balances as the beginning balance for the following month. If you've added funds to an account, simply enter your current balance when updating the next month's beginning balance. On the right side, you'll find charts that provide summaries of the total deductions for each account. Now let's move to the Dashboard tab. This entire section is fully automated and is for viewing only. Please do not modify anything here, and be careful when navigating, as you may accidentally delete important formulas. If you ever delete a formula by mistake, you can simply copy and paste it back from your original backup file. The first chart shows your total spending per month. Transactions categorized as savings and investments are not included in these totals. Below the chart is a summary table showing the total amount spent for each category. The bold amounts represent the highest value recorded across all months for that category. Next, you'll find charts that display the spending percentage for each month. At the bottom, you'll see a monthly summary of all subcategories, making it easy to compare spending trends throughout the year. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using this tracker.